If you're looking for a luxury home tucked away in a private setting in a desirable gated community in Oro Valley, then you're going to love this 1-acre property. This 3,666 square foot single-story home features 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, including 2 ensuites in addition to the primary bedroom, plus a massive oversized 4-car garage with a resort-style backyard, including heated pool and spa with plenty of space from neighbors at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. And before we're done, I'll show you the one feature that surprised me the most when I first toured the home. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today I am thrilled to introduce you to this beautiful property. Let's take a look. Enter your gated courtyard along the stone pathway and enjoy the beautifully landscaped front entrance, where you can sip your morning coffee in a private space shaded by a Palo Verde and mesquite tree, beautifully landscaped with easy care desert plantings, including hummingbird shrubs. Step through the large wood door into an open foyer with recessed ceilings as you're immediately greeted with tons of natural light from every direction. Right away, you'll notice this open concept floor plan with no interior steps, features high ceilings, beautiful travertine stone flooring throughout, except in 3 bedrooms, and mountain or open desert privacy views from every window in every home. In other words, you won't be looking at your neighbor's house or your neighbor's backyard, and they won't be looking at you either, which is equally important. Now, most of the furniture in this home is available to stay with the property, so keep that in mind as we tour the first room in the home. Your generously sized living area features a recently redone cozy gas fireplace. Believe it or not, we do get a little chilly here in Oro Valley in the wintertime, plus large sliding doors and oversized windows, perfect for enjoying the lovely views of the Tortolita Mountains and relaxing pool and spa. Don't worry, we'll get outside in a bit. Now remember, if you're liking what you see so far, make sure you give me a call. I'm Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and this is my beautiful listing. I'd love to take you on a private tour. And when you or a friend are ready to buy or sell a Tucson home, I would love to work with you. All of my contact information is in the description below this video. Here we have the Gourmet kitchen, featuring all stainless appliances, including double oven, gas stove, and a new Bosch dishwasher, as well as granite countertops, a massive island with built-in microwave, tons of cabinets with pullouts, and a relaxing kitchen nook off to the side, providing more natural light from those high windows, plus a lovely chandelier overhead. Before we continue the tour, I have to tell you 2 exciting things to know about the construction of this home. First of all, the entire roof is almost brand new. Secondly, this entire home is made using energy-efficient, high-quality Nudura construction, which is a brand of insulated concrete forms, also known as ICFs. I've got a sample piece right here if you're unfamiliar. Instead of framing the exterior walls with wood, builders stack these blocks, reinforce them with rebar, and then fill them with concrete. The foam stays in place permanently, insulating the home on both sides of the concrete. You end up with a very energy efficient home, very quiet, very strong construction, protects against fires more so than a traditional frame stucco built home, and more resistant to termites as well. Really amazing construction. As we head into the dining room, I want to point out this beautiful chandelier overhead, just gorgeous. We step into the resort-style backyard with large covered patio with flagstone, misters for cooling, built-in natural gas barbecue and mini fridge, and a view fence where you can look out onto the natural desert and take in all this freedom and privacy. And now we get to the spot where I would be spending most of my time if this were my home. And of course, that's the pool and spa. This heated pool includes pop-up self-cleaners and a lovely rock water feature. This backyard is also full of solar lights that brighten up the space after dark, including these cool tiki torches. It really creates a fun ambiance. Next to the pool and spa, you'll find a private covered patio and sitting area right off of the primary suite restroom, and I love that the homeowners can just pop outside whenever they want to enjoy their pool or spa. We'll cut through the home the way we came so we can enter the primary suite from the main part of the house. Now, as we enter the primary suite through these double doors, the first thing you'll see once again is, you guessed it, lots of light and beautiful mountain and desert and backyard views through these big windows. The massive primary suite includes an oversized walk-in closet with built-in shelves and drawers and cubbies. The spacious primary bathroom provides a jacuzzi tub, separate walk-in shower with jets, individual marble vanities, private toilet, and there's that sliding door into your backyard patio for an easy retreat. Now follow me into the room next door. Now this oversized bedroom is the only bedroom in the home without an attached bathroom, but it's also the only bedroom without any carpet and this beautiful travertine flooring that you see throughout the home. This space would be perfect for a studio or a home gym or a media room, along with, of course, an office or simply another bedroom. All 4 bedrooms in the home, by the way, feature walk-in closets, and this room is no exception. And even though it does not have an attached bathroom, there is a lovely bathroom right next door with a beautiful vanity and shower with tile up to the ceiling. This would most likely be your main guest bathroom for visitors. Now let's walk across the home to explore the other 2 guest bedrooms, both of which are en-suites with attached bathrooms and walk-in closets. Bedroom 3 is a large ensuite with more natural light from the large window. And again, I just have to point out that the view from every window is very private. You're not looking into a neighbor's window or personal space. The room next door is similar to the first ensuite, and of course these rooms would both be perfect for kids, teenagers, guests, or multi-generational living with family members who enjoy their own space. We'll head around through the kitchen and I'll show you this oversized laundry room. Here you'll have tons of cabinets, countertop space, and utility sink, plus energy efficient washer dryer. And now we come to what is probably my favorite part of this home, and that is the 4-car garage. I wish every home in the Tucson area had a 4-car garage because literally everyone needs one, no matter how many cars you have. We don't have basements or lofts here, so this is where everyone stores their stuff. And this extra deep garage features new garage door spring, as well as a beautiful premium polyaspartic floor coating. Very durable, very resistant, giving that very clean concrete floor look. The previous owner stored 4 cars in this garage, but you can use these oversized spaces for storage or a workshop or anything you want. The garage also comes with an electric vehicle charger, as well as a water softening system. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this lovely property. Here, we are walking or cycling distance to parks, trails, and schools. Probably my favorite thing about this home is how cozy and homey it feels, even though it is a luxury property. In fact, the home would be perfect for all different types of buyers, from families to multi-generational households to retirees or snowbirds. It checks boxes for everyone. When you're ready to purchase or sell Tucson area real estate, I would love to assist. All my contact information is in the description below each of the over 1,000 YouTube videos on this channel about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today on this home tour, and I will see you in the next Tucson video or when we go to buy or sell a home together.